Multiply and divide fractions. Divide fractions. We divide fractions by multiplying by the reciprocal. So let's take a look at example 1. In example 1, we have 14/15 divided by 35/6. We're always going to flip over the second number, the number that we're dividing by. So we'll do a rewrite of this as 14/15 times 6/35. Really important thing to keep in mind, you can only reduce multiplication problems. You cannot reduce division problems. So having said that, we want to look for common factors. The first factors that I happen to notice is that 14 and 35 have a common factor of 7. So 14 divided by 7 is going to be 2. 35 divided by 7 is going to be 5. 15 and 6 have a common factor of 3. So 15 divided by 3 will be 5, and 6 divided by 3 will be 2. I don't see any other common factors, so we'll just multiply this now. We have 2 times 2, which would be 4, and 5 times 5, which would be 25. Double check my answer. Make sure I have no common factors between the numerator and denominator. And then I'm done. Let's take a look at example 2. Again, I need to do a rewrite of this by writing down my first term times the reciprocal of my second term, which would be 15/6. Now that it's a multiplication problem, I can look for common factors. 3 and 6 are both divisible by 3. So 3 divided by 3 would be 1. 6 divided by 3 would be 2. 10 and 15 have a common factor of 5. So 10 divided by 5 would be 2. 15 divided by 5 would be 3. I don't see any other common factors now, so I can multiply it. We have 1 times 3, which would be 3, and 2 times 2, which would be 4. Double check my answer to make sure I have no common factors. 3 and 4 have no common factors, so that is my final answer.